All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the basics of HTTP. So HTTP is an extensible protocol that relies on concepts like resources and uniform resource identifiers, URIs, simple message structure, and client-server communication flow. On top of these basic concepts, numerous extensions have been deployed, or developed, I should say, over the years that add updated functionality and semantics with new HTTP methods or headers. Okay, so that's the basics of HTTP. Okay, let's look at the overview of HTTP just so we can see what the structure is. Okay, so HTTP is a protocol which allows the fetching of resources such as HTML documents. It is the foundation of any data exchange on the web, and it is a client-server protocol, which means requests are initiated by the recipient, usually the web browser. A complete document is reconstructed from the different sub-documents fetched. For instance, text, layout description, images, videos, scripts, and more. Okay, so the internet is here, right? The web server's here, the video server's here, and the ad server's here. So when you open up a document, what it's doing is it goes to the internet, grabs the ad from the ad server and brings it in. Then it sends a request for the video and then sends a request in for the image. Okay, so you see how it says get layout.css, image.png, page.html, video.mpeg, and then ads.jpg. Sorry, I couldn't read that. I'm like squinting here. Okay, so clients and servers communicate by exchanging individual messages as opposed to a stream of data. The messages sent by the client, usually a web browser, are called requests, and the messages sent by the server as an answer are called responses. Designed in the early 90s, HTTP is an extensible protocol which has evolved over time. It is an application layer protocol that is sent over TCP or TLS, encrypted TCP connection. Though any reliable transport protocol could theoretically be used, due to extendability, it is used to not only fetch hypertext documents, but also images and videos, or to post content to servers like with HTML form results. HTTP can also be used to fetch parts of a document to update web pages on demand. Okay, so you can see the importance of HTTP. Okay, so with that in mind, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.